Most people buy cars or houses when they get rich, but billionaires they buy toys worth millions of dollars. From real jetpacks to private submarine. Here are 5 insane toys only billionaires can afford. Number 5. The jetpack. Yes, real jetpacks actually exist. A company called Jetpack Aviation built the JB-11 jetpack, which allows a person to fly using small jet turbines. It can reach speeds of around 120 kilometers per hour and fly thousands of feet in the air. These jetpacks are sold mainly to the military and wealthy buyers. The price can reach around $400,000. Basically, a flying machine you wear like a jetpack. Number 4. The personal submarine. Instead of exploring the ocean with scuba gear, some billionaires explore it in their own submarines. A company called Triton Submarines builds luxury submarines that can dive over 1000 meters below the ocean surface. Many super yachts carry one of these submarines, so owners can explore the deep sea. Price around $3 million. Number 3. The flying car. For decades, it sounded like science fiction, but a company called Aeromobile has created a vehicle that can drive on roads and transform into an aircraft. It can fly hundreds of kilometers once it takes off from a small runway. Estimated price around $1 to $2 million. Number 2. The luxury mega yacht. For billionaires, yachts are not just boats. They are floating palaces. For example, the famous yacht Eclipse, owned by Roman Abramovich, reportedly cost over $400 million. These yachts can include swimming pools, cinemas, helicopters, and even mini submarines. It is basically a luxury hotel floating on the ocean. Number 1. The ultimate billionaire toy. A private island. Some billionaires don't just buy houses, they buy entire islands. For example, Richard Branson owns Necker Island in the Caribbean. Private islands can include luxury villas, private beaches, and complete privacy from the outside world. Prices range from $10 million to over $100 million. So those were 5 crazy toys billionaires spend millions on. But the universe itself hides things far more mysterious than any billionaire toy. In the next video, we are exploring the top scariest discoveries made in space, and one of them could actually threaten Earth. Make sure you are subscribed because that countdown is coming next.
तुम खड़ी हो वहाँ डूबते सूरज की लाली में, एक चमक है तुम्हारी उस भोली सी हंसी में। मैं भीड़ का एक हिस्सा, बस एक अजनबी चेहरा, पर मुझ पर है तुम्हारी यादों का गहरा पहरा।